Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on comments on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. You have to click on notifications here. You can see at second interactions there is comment topic. Turn it on. This blue mark will appear here. It means you are allowed to comment on others' video and people are allowed to comment on your video. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.